Hello and welcome. I'm Darcy Mehta from Lumos Learning, and in this video I will be sharing some useful tools and information to help you improve your reading and vocabulary skills. The story I have chosen for this demonstration is suitable for students in the 5th grade. Let me just open the story on the Lumos Learning website. By the way, you can find the link to the page in the description. This fun story is called The Story of Doctor Doolittle by Hugh Lofting. It happened one day that the doctor was sitting in his kitchen talking with the cat food man who had come to see him with a stomachache. "Why don't you give up being a people's doctor and be an animal doctor?" asked the cat food man. The parrot, Polynesia, was sitting in the window looking out at the rain and singing a sailor song to herself. She stopped singing and started to listen. "You see, doctor," the cat food man went on, "you know all about animals, much more than what these here vets do. That book you wrote about cats, why, it's wonderful. I can't read or write myself, or maybe I'd write some books, but my wife, Theodosia, she's a scholar, she is, and she read your book to me. Well, it's wonderful. That's all that can be said. Wonderful." So as you can see, while you're reading, there are words that are underlined here, and you can simply click on the word and view the meaning, like this word here, scholar. You click on it and the meaning pops up. A specialist in a particular branch of study, especially the humanities, a distinguished academic. Now, let's say you want to practice one of the words from the story or learn more about it. Well, you can simply click on that word in the right side menu. Let's try out butcher. This opens a fun and easy tool called FlashCube that helps you fully explore a word. Here you can learn the definition, a person whose trade is cutting up and selling meat in a shop. Hear the pronunciation.
Butcher.
See what part of speech it is, in this case a noun. View the word as an example, a pork butcher, and you can also add it to my word list by creating an account. Just follow the instructions on the screen. I'd also like you to use the View Passage button located here on the left side. If you click that, it shows you the word you just learned within the story. "Tell me some more," said the doctor, all excited, and he rushed over to the dresser drawer and came back with the butcher's book and a pencil. Last but not least, you can upload an image and attach it to the word. That way you can also make notes and save it and know what the word means when you want to revisit it later. As you can see, it's fun, easy, and a great way to learn new words, and there are thousands of resources available on the platform. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to the link in the description and read The Story of Dr. Doolittle and become a fluent reader. I'll be back soon with another story or passage. Stay tuned.